Welcome back. 2003 Dodge Ram needs an exhaust system pretty much from pipe in front of the muffler all the way back. Tailpipe already came off of the thing. It needs to be replaced, so we're just going to replace the exhaust on this.
So here's what we're dealing with. Basically the whole back half, the tailpipe from the muffler back is gone already. It rotted off. Muffler's got a big hole in it. This is all torn up, so we're going to replace right here behind this jack stand at this joint all the way back to the back of the truck. I'm going to cut that band clamp there. That's trying to get that undone. Forget it. It's not going to happen. Probably just cut these hangers off and get them out of the bushings. And then drop this thing out of here and put a new one in. Hopefully it'll go well. This is the only part that gives me a little bit of pause, is this front joint here, but we'll see how that goes. I'll make my cutoff wheel and we're just gonna go at it and see how it goes. Yes, I do have iron ear protection on. Alright, let's get some new parts. Let's see what we have. Got my front pipe here. My extension. This is a 140.5 inch wheelbase. And it goes right on there, so I'm going to have to make sure I have enough here to clamp to, but I think I do. Hook that in. I don't know, can you even see what I'm doing? I don't know. I think you can. Yeah, let me get some silicone spray. It always helps. Silicone spray. Now, sometimes I think my brain just doesn't work correctly. I think that fits over that. I had it backwards. Let me get my pipe back in here. I've got my tailpipe in the hanger in the back. in the back of the muffler with a clamp, exhaust clamp loosely on it. Nothing's tight yet. We'll be able to move it around. Get some more Miracle spray here, silicone spray. One behind the muffler and I'm done. I check my tailpipe one more time there. Make sure it still looks good. My clearance is good. I can see it from here. I just want to make sure it looks okay coming out the side. Should. Sit on the jack stand. Should look fine. It does. Get my final clamp back here, which is right behind the muffler. Pick you up here and see if I can show you kind of what we're looking at. All the way back. Hopefully you can see that. We're backing out the side, but got good clearance on everything. Make sure you have your clearance. Make sure you're not right up against something, jammed up against, something on the suspension or something, frame rail or something like that. But I have good clearance everywhere. Pretty easy. This one actually went pretty well. I had the tailpipe sitting up on a jack stand to give it the right height. To keep it up where it's supposed to be. Keep it up there where it's supposed to be while I'm getting the clamps in place. Everything looks good. Just wanted to show you, there's the muffler. Pretty beat up. There's the front, this is the front. And there's the tailpipe, which was already off. It was already pretty much falling off in the back of the muffler and broken and, right there. And not looking real good, but that's what it looked like when it started.
That's it for this 2003 Dodge Ram exhaust, basically. It's 140.5 inch wheelbase. It's the middle size. There's 120.5 and 160.5. The only real difference in the exhaust for this is a single exhaust, not a dual. The only real difference is the extension pipe in front of the muffler. There's a medium sized one for the 140.5, the longer one for the 160.5, and I think the 120 doesn't have one at all. I don't do a lot of exhaust work. I try not to. It's just hard without a lift, and this was pretty simple because there was only really one area where I was, had to get it apart. The rest of it was just rattled off the truck, so not very hard. If you had to do this for your Dodge Ram, I hope it helps you out. If you like the videos, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.